I've been searching for a good online learning institute all day, but I can't find one that offers both creative and Islamic courses in one place. Oh, then you haven't heard about Bait-Ul-Uloom Institute. Know what's special about it? Well, it's an online learning platform where you can study creative skills like digital marketing, animation, and art, and at the same time, learn Islamic courses like Quran, Tafsir, and Islamic studies. Both creative and Islamic in one place. That's interesting, but are the classes good? Definitely. They have experienced teachers, easy to follow lessons, and you can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Plus, they even give certificates when you complete your course. Wow! So I don't have to choose between skill building and deen, I can do both together. Exactly. That's why I say if you want balanced learning for both dunya and akhirah, Bait-Ul-Uloom Institute is the best choice. Thank you. Soon I will join this institute and learn skills from it.